Hey everyone, so here's Barefoot app. It's a popular app from Labrand, YouTube creators. They have like tens of millions of followers on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and they just blogging around like family. So it's like a video family blog, also focused around God and church. So they just released their own app, as you know, a lot of YouTube creators are doing these days. That's just the app. Thing is, if you wanna use it, you need to instantly pay. There is either $7 per month or like $70 per year or something like that. And you can't use a free trial. There is no free option, so you need to upgrade right away. So I upgraded just for monthly subscription. So let's just see how it looks like. Here is the app, and in this app what you can do, so they are offering you that you can join the live podcast twice every month, questions submitted by you. So you can participate in member only content in this app. You can get access to every course designed specifically for this community. You can share your testimonies and interact with others in a positive godly community. So then you also can be participating in cash giveaways. Every single month, a new Barefoot member with the massive giveaway. Much more features included and coming soon. Join now. So, yep. And then you can just open up the app. So again, you can only access it with the paid subscription. And then you can select the first course. So, this app is focused on family, like raising a family, finding your love, and also like on God and church. So this is just like the topics of their YouTube channel. So, if you're following them, that's about it. So you can just start the course, body training, spice up your marriage. So there are like few courses here. You can just go and start the course. Once you have picked the course, you're locked up on that course for the next 30 days until you complete it. Make sure you're absolutely sure of your course selection. And then you can just go it and go through the course and complete it. There are course discussions. There are some comments around it which you can participate in. Then there is also Bible here, or every day you have some Bible. Then there is live, which you can see that the next live podcast will be in around 1 day. Then there is like community, where you can just ask. Just you see a lot of comments and updates, a lot of basically questions. So this is like a Reddit forum. So you can see a lot of questions, and that's basically it. And then there is giveaway, where you have a $10,000 cash giveaway, and then you can just go and enter it here, and then you can just sign up in here. So that's it. That's the app. That's what you have, and that's how you get into it. You have some notifications when the podcast is live. So it's basically you paying like $7 per month to just become additional member of their like YouTube and like creator family. If you just like their content, there's just additional perk you can get. To just stay closer with creators, and that's just what it is. A lot of YouTube creators recently designing and building apps, like MKBHD, a famous tech creator, just released an app. These guys also released an app. Sometimes there is like critical response to these apps, because it's quite hard to actually build a good app, and then you start to charge money for it, and who knows if there is a real value for what you're paying. But again, like there are real questions. There seems to be real people here. However, can we verify that? Can we actually know if these people here are real or these are just bots? Like it's so easy right now to just generate AI replies and all of that. But yeah, here it is, and you just can take a look at this app. Right now it's literally in the top charts in different countries. It was just released, so you can definitely take a look at it and figure out if you really wanted to upgrade into it. Yeah, for some other things, if you're critical, you can do your research on Reddit. Just search for Barefoot on Reddit, and You can find a lot of critical responses to this app, that some people are just not happy. They think it's too big a price and you're basically being scammed. But it just depends, if you like their YouTube content, of course you can just pay $7 per month or yearly and just participate in these live podcasts. So that's just down to you. Basically, it's not like such a big price right now, and they are not charging it on some external website where it can be hard to cancel, or some other scammy things. Everything goes like as a normal app on App Store. So you can, at any time, you can just go to your App Store subscriptions and cancel this subscription. Yeah, in a nutshell, so that's just basically the app overview.